Sir, Suzuki Ertiga or Toyota Veloz? Sige, dahil malakas kayo sa akin, tara, pag-usapan natin. So, Suzuki Ertiga, isa sa mga OGs talaga pagdating sa 7-seater category, while Toyota Veloz, bagong salta, improvised or more premium version of the Toyota Avanza. Similarities, medyo elegante pareho. On the outside, medyo mas malaki tignan si Veloz, but on the inside, you'll be surprised with the space ni Suzuki Ertiga. I really found it to be very sufficient yung interior ni Ertiga. I didn't expect it for a 7-seater, no? Then, gustong-gusto ko talaga yung parang iPad ni Suzuki Ertiga dito sa center ng dashboard niya, yung infotainment display. I really love that. And then, may mga touches pa si Ertiga na may parang wood aesthetics. So, medyo luxurious din. Pareho namang okay. Medyo gusto ko lang yung build quality a little bit nung interior ng materials na ginamit kay Veloz. Now, the main advantage ni Ertiga, especially for this like panahon ngayon, no, na medyo mataas talaga ang presyo ng gasolina, mild hybrid system si Ertiga, and that's gonna be something that you'll really appreciate. But in my opinion, no, hindi siya ganun talaga ka super duper laki na lamang, kasi ito sa amin yung Veloz natin is around 12 kilometers per liter mixed, and then pagka heavy traffic dun, it will shine si Ertiga like around 12 to 14 kilometers per liter. So not bad na rin, around 2 to 3 kilometers per liter na lamang compared sa ibang mga MPVs ngayon. If we're gonna stick with the top of the line variants, lamang si Veloz in terms of the advanced driver aids systems, 360 camera, sensing all around, and then yun lang. Kung gusto mo talaga ng extra na kilometers per liter, then Ertiga is gonna be the one for you. So yun lang, features versus fuel consumption, and then depende na rin sa taste mo. So for those who wanna know more about both of these cars, I made a 7-seater playlist, or search up nyo na lang tong either cars to sa YouTube channel natin. So sana nakatulong, follow for more.